Huh?
I just thought you added it and then divided by 2.
You can. So that's essentially, when we say 1/2 times this, it is equivalent to saying this. Okay, you can also say the top plus the bottom divided by 2 is going to give you the middle. Okay, and so on all these, we don't have the middle. So our top is 7.1 plus our bottom is 7.5, and we say divided by 2 is going to give us that middle. So you got 7.1 plus 7.5 divided by 2 is going to give you 7.3. That is the middle. Okay, and you'll know if you get something, and this is how I already knew that I didn't get something way out there, because on my top is 7.1. Now it's saying I solved for my middle and I got 7.3, and then a little further I got 7.5, and so it makes sense. 7.1 to 7.5 to 7.3 to 7.5. Okay, it kind of goes from least to greatest, working our way down.
Yeah, I'm starting to notice a pattern with that.
So pretty much in order.
Yeah, okay, so on this one we got our top plus our bottom divided by 2. So on our top I got 4.2 plus 6.6 for the bottom divided by 2.
7.8 divided by 2.
Of course, I've got my calculator.
Okay, so it's got 5.4. Okay, that's our middle. I don't know why I put a question mark. Okay, so 5.4 is going to be our middle. Okay, so those are the easier ones, okay? Those are the ones that we did the other day whenever I wasn't here, there was the sub. So that's just a mini review. Now, you should be able to take the rules that you've learned, okay, top plus the bottom divided by 2, and still apply it for these. And these say solve for x on all these. Okay, so we still say top plus bottom, so our top is 18, plus our bottom is 34, divided by 2, and that's going to equal the middle. But now we have something for our middle, and our middle is 7x plus 5.
And then wouldn't we divide by 7 on both sides?
Not yet. Hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so we got 18 plus 34 divided by 2. So on this side, I'm going to have 26. So I got 26 equals 7x plus 5. Okay, and so I need to get my x's by itself. So what needs moved?
So 26.
To 26. So there are 2 ways to go about this. You can leave the x where it's at. Okay, and instead of doing letters to the left and numbers to the right, you can leave the letter wherever it's at and move all the numbers over. Or you can move the numbers also. So I'm going to do this twice so you guys can see what's happening. Okay, so on this one, if I left it alone, I could say minus 5. Okay, and 26 minus 5 is going to be 21 equals 7x.
And then when we divide by 7, oh, sorry.
What's saying sorry? X equals 3. Okay, on this one, if you chose to move your letters to the left and the numbers to the right, you're going to have to say minus 7x, minus 7x, minus 26, minus 26 in order to move everything around. So I'm going to have a negative 7x equals negative 21.
And then wouldn't be x equals 3.
And then divided by 7, or negative 7 divided by negative 7, x equals 3. Okay, so it almost creates more work on these to move the letters to the left. Okay, where if you just leave the letters alone, it's going to create less work. Okay, now your x is on the opposite side, and that's okay. It's not really going to matter on these, but either one of these options are okay. I'll do it.
Looks like it's pretty.
Huh? But she said that was pretty easy, so
Yeah.
from the ones we do really do not allow her to.
What are you doing?
Yeah, closer.
Okay, so either one works. Either way, we got x equals 3. Okay, so move the letters. If you want to move the letters, move the numbers. If you want to move the numbers, I would suggest this first method because it's less math, but you certainly can do it the way that you've been doing it for years and years, okay?
I trust the first method because it's less brain boggling.
Okay, so number 7, I got the top is 15 plus the bottom is 19 divided by 2 equals the middle, which is 20x minus 3. Okay, so on the left we need to figure out 15 plus 19 divided by 2 is 17 equals 20x minus 3.
Then wouldn't we just have to do the 17 minus 3?
Okay, so I got 17 equals 20x minus 3, and so I need to move this minus 3 over and make it a plus 3. So I got 17 plus 3 is going to be 20 equals 20x.
And then when we divide, the next would just equal 1.
Okay, and then divide by 20. Sammy, I can hear you. Okay, look at number 9. Okay, so I got 18 for my top plus my bottom, which is 20, divided by 2. So I got top plus bottom divided by 2 equals the middle. And my middle is negative 11 plus 3x. Okay, so on the left side I got 18 plus 20 divided by 2 is 19. So I got 19 equals negative 11 plus 3x. Okay, and what needs moved?
Well, 11
The 11, and I got a minus 11.
plus it.
I'm going to plus 11. So 19 plus 11 is going to be 30 equals 3x.
X equals 10.
Okay, slow down. And then divide by 3. So 30 divided by 3 is, yes, x equals 10.
You alright?
You're looking at me. I'm talking about what?
Me.
I'm looking at you because you're looking at me.
Look at-
Okay, look at 11. Okay, we're going to say top plus bottom divided by 2. Okay, well, I got 15 on top plus 23 on bottom divided by 2, and that's going to equal the middle. And my middle is 17x plus 2. So I got 15 plus 23 divided by 2. I'm going to have 19. 19 equals, and over here I still got 17x plus 2.
What don't we? Never mind.
19 equals 17x plus 2.
What don't we?
So minus 2 right, 2.
Minus 2. 19 minus 2 is 17 equals 17x. And then divide by 17.
Why? Or just be easier.
I can control this thing.
Okay, so x is going to equal 1.
Okay, I have a question. What are really trying to simplify?
Okay, it doesn't matter. I don't want anybody else to do that. You are done studying like everybody else, okay?
So it doesn't matter if I just like word it like that, even though it's supposed to be backwards.
It's the same thing.
Alright, so
A quarter is a quarter, it doesn't matter.
Sorry.
Right?
You say third.
Okay, look at 13. Okay, we got 12 on top plus the bottom, which is 34, divided by 2. It's going to equal the middle, which is 5x minus 32. Okay, so 12 plus 34 divided by 2 is going to be 23, equals 5x minus 32. So we say plus 32, plus 32. Okay, so I got 55 equals 5x. And what's our last step? divide by 5. So I got 11x, or 11 equals x.